Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to focus on one of the most important scoring tasks in PTE Speaking Retell Lecture. This is not something that you repeat what you hear. It's about how well you can listen, organize, and deliver the key ideas clearly and fluently. Now I'm going to play a lecture in this practice platform and show you how to approach it step by step from note-taking to speaking. Let's get started.
Sometimes it's better not to know every little detail. Maybe we only care about knowing stuff if it helps us feel strong. Thinking about all the details of orange trees might just make us feel stressed. I would rather believe in something nice than face the harsh truth. But I wonder, could our minds actually find a deeper truth? Maybe our minds can pick out what's important from all the extra stuff. But what's important depends on what we care about. A farmer who loves orange trees will see them differently than someone else. So where do our values come from? Nietzsche, in Beyond Good and Evil, says they come from our bodies needing certain things to stay alive. And what does our body want? Power. It wants to keep going strong. What's it mean to be strong? To imagine the world a certain way and make it happen. Someone might argue they don't want power, but if they stop eating to prove it, they're still after power. They're imagining a world where they prove their point and they'll do whatever it takes to make it happen, even if it hurts them.
The lecture is about power and feeling strong. Sometimes it's better not to know every detail. Maybe we only care about knowing stuff if it helps us to feel strong. Could our mind find the deeper truth then? It depends on what we value. Thinking about all the detail of an orange tree might just make us feel stressed. But a farmer who loves orange trees will see them differently than someone else. So Nietzsche says, beyond good and evil, our values come from our body and our body wants power and it wants to keep going strong. If somebody disagrees that they don't want power and stop eating to prove it, they're still after power. Alright, that's how you approach the Retell Lecture task effectively. For fluency, maintain an optimal rhythm and natural speaking speed. Don't rush and don't pause too much. For content, the more relevant content you include from the lecture, the higher your score. Try to retain at least 4 to 5 sentences from the audio. Don't change the meaning of the lecture. Avoid templates, focus on natural delivery. And remember one thing, start noting down after listening a whole sentence. Choose the simple sentences because AI doesn't care if it's simple or difficult. So make it at least 4 to 5 sentences and reconstruct the sentences when the audio ends. Keep practicing. See you in the next video.